Hello again, Wellness Junkies. Ready to whip up something healthy and delicious? Then let's get smoothing. Smoothie bowls are everywhere. They're colorful, delicious, and so good for you. But what exactly is a smoothie bowl? It's like a regular smoothie, but thicker. You eat it from a bowl with a spoon. And the best part? You get to add yummy toppings. Smoothie bowls are packed with fruits, veggies, and healthy fats. They give you energy and make you feel amazing. They're perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a snack. Plus, they're super easy to make. Ready to dive into the world of smoothie bowls? Let's get started. To make a smoothie bowl, you need a few basic ingredients. Don't worry, they're all easy to find. Frozen fruit is the base. Choose your favorites. Berries, bananas, and mangoes work great. Add a little liquid to blend. Water, milk, or yogurt are good options. Add spinach or kale for nutrients. You won't even taste them. To thicken, add frozen banana, avocado, or chia seeds. That's it for the basics. Now, let's blend. Making a smoothie bowl is super easy. Just follow these simple steps. Add your frozen fruit to the blender. Start with about 1 cup. Pour in your liquid. Use about half a cup. You can always add more later if needed. Throw in your greens. A handful is enough. Add your thickener. Choose your favorite. Blend until smooth. It should be thick enough to hold a spoon. Congratulations, you made a smoothie bowl base. Now comes the fun part. Toppings are the best part of a smoothie bowl. They add flavor, texture, and extra nutrients. Here are some ideas. Fresh fruit. Sliced bananas, berries, or mango add sweetness and vitamins. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds provide healthy fats and protein. Granola. Add some crunch with your favorite granola. Coconut flakes. These add a tropical vibe and healthy fats. Cacao nibs. These crunchy bits are packed with antioxidants. The possibilities are endless. Have fun and experiment with different flavors. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your blender and get creative with your next smoothie bowl. You'll be amazed at how something so delicious can be so good for you. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. See you soon, friends.